Have you ever walked into a supermarket only to realize it's more than just a place to buy groceries? It's a world of choices, strategy, and hidden secrets that can save you money and time. Today, we're unlocking the fascinating world of the modern supermarket, how they work, smart ways to shop, and insider tips you never knew. Stay tuned because what you're about to discover will change the way you shop forever. Supermarkets have come a long way. Gone are the days of small local grocery stores. Today, the modern supermarket is designed for convenience, speed, and variety. But how did we get here? It all started in the early 20th century when the concept of self-service shopping revolutionized the way people bought food. Before that, clerks would pick out items for customers. But with supermarkets, people could explore and choose freely, leading to lower prices and a better shopping experience. Did you know that supermarkets are carefully designed to make you spend more? That's why smart grocery shopping is key. Tip 1. Never shop on an empty stomach. Studies show that hungry shoppers buy 64% more than they planned. Tip 2. Stick to a list. Supermarkets use strategic product placements to tempt impulse buying. Having a list helps you stay focused. Tip 3. The most expensive items are usually placed at eye level. Look at the lower and upper shelves for better deals. Tip 4. Ever notice how essentials like milk and eggs are placed at the back? That's because stores want you to walk past tempting items first. Supermarkets are masters of psychology. From soothing background music to the scent of freshly baked bread, everything is designed to keep you shopping longer. Here's how. End cap displays. The items at aisle ends are high profit, not always the best deals. Loyalty cards. They make you feel like you're getting a bargain while collecting data on your shopping habits. Decoy pricing. Ever seen a product priced slightly higher next to a similar item? That's to make the cheaper one seem like a great deal, encouraging you to buy it. Technology is transforming supermarkets. The future of shopping is becoming smarter and more digital. Self-checkout machines are reducing wait times. Smart carts with built-in scanners are making checkout seamless. AI-based recommendations and personalized discounts are changing the game. And let's not forget online grocery shopping. Within minutes, you can have everything delivered to your doorstep. The supermarket experience is evolving, and we're at the center of it. Supermarkets are more than just stores. They're an experience shaped by science, strategy, and technology. Now that you know these secrets, you can make smarter choices and shop like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more insightful content. Comment below. What's your favorite supermarket trick? See you in the next video.